Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Jaguar F-Type marks the final chapter in the storied legacy of Jaguar's iconic sports car, coinciding with the brand's 75th anniversary. Available in both coupe and convertible forms, this model offers enthusiasts a choice between two potent supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engines, a 444 horsepower variant and a more powerful 575 horsepower version. The exterior design of the 2025 F-Type remains timeless, featuring sculpted lines and a commanding stance that exude elegance and performance. Signature elements such as the J-blade daytime running lights and iconic Jaguar leaper fender vents enhance its visual appeal. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit is adorned with Windsor leather performance seats and subtle heritage nods, including a scripted glovebox button and embossed Jaguar leaper. Advanced features like a 12.3-inch interactive driver display and configurable cabin lighting provide a personalized and immersive driving experience. Performance is at the heart of the F-Type, with the 575 horsepower R75 model achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reaching a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Dynamic technologies such as all-wheel drive, electronic active differential, and adaptive dynamics ensure agile handling and a responsive ride. As Jaguar transitions towards an all-electric future, the 2025 F-Type stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to performance and luxury. This final iteration offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, blending exhilarating performance with sophisticated design. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Jaguar F-Type, you can watch the following video.